In my work between high achieving individuals, one of the things that I've noticed often with my high achieving couples is this genuine conundrum where couples become incredibly stuck between the obligation that is associated with being a high achiever, or the felt sense of obligation, and that's a deeper discussion. But the sense of obligation in being a high achiever and the sense of disconnect. And one of the things I often have to help clients make room for is understanding how to have grace and make room for two things to be true at the same time. I do think that there has to be some form of evaluation of how much time is work asking of either one or both of us as partners, and how much time do I feel like I can't surrender to the expectations work has for me. This is like the first place that couples have to evaluate, and ideally they're evaluating it together and not getting caught in their separate worldviews and perspectives to where they really can't get anywhere with that. When I think about couples in that sense, the other place where couples are going to end up getting caught in their conflict with one another is one partner is going out and doing too much, and the other partner often feels like they're left in the dust while this person goes out and creates this whole life and this whole identity. And I often wonder if the conflict became so great that the couple stopped being able to see the forest for the trees. And what I want to know, if there is one financially high achieving partner and then one partner who is dominantly in the supportive role to some capacity, or there's something more predictable about their working situation where it doesn't ask as much of them, I wonder if they've lost sight of all the things the life they built together lends them tangibly and resource-wise. So it isn't often as easy as you work too much, you need to commit more of your time and intimacy to me. I think that that's part of the conversation. But I also think that if couples could lean more deeply without the sense of threat or rejection to say, okay, is it possible that we co-created something here? Is it possible that while you go out and you spend many hours achieving in the workplace and getting good results, getting good promotions, is it possible that part of that wheel that turns for you is knowing everything you've managed to provide? Is there a sense of fear associated with, but if I slow it down, I'm not going to be able to keep achieving and garnering the resources or the benefits it brings to our family? And so the couples become lost in that. It's a deeper conversation of, if I slowed down and we lost out on some of this, are you telling me that you are fundamentally, realistically okay with some of the sacrifices we might need to make as a family if I can't bring home the same amount of money or the same amount of whatever work is bringing to the table? Would you be okay not having some of the benefits or resources that this family has grown accustomed to having? A lot of times in family systems, people grow to the place that they are without consciously thinking about what that growth has cost them emotionally and intimately and presently. And so it is often not as simple as you work too much and you don't spend enough time with us. There is usually a deeper underlying belief system or co-creation that is fueling the beast that you have learned to benefit from, but have grown to resent.